We are starting with reading comprehension. There is a strategy to do reading comprehension. Always finish RC first. It will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes. Since in the starting our minds are fresh, so you will be easily able to grab those marks. Firstly, have a look on first 5 questions. Then make a note of the main point the question is asking. From this you can make a note of offset. Then you can make a note of green electricity on the rough paper. Then make a note of impure public goods. From this you can make a note of green products from a brown product. From this you can write green good. Offsets of emissions are used. It was clearly mentioned in the RC to reduce emissions, to provide green good, to satisfy consumers' preference. So answer C is the right option, which means A, B and D are correct. Green electricity means electricity produced from renewable sources of energy. So A is the correct answer. It was clearly mentioned in the RC. Next question, impure public goods are, it was clearly mentioned, a package of public and private goods. So C is the correct answer. Next question, the way in which consumers can produce a green product from a brown product. It is from retail offset, it was also mentioned. Next question, an example of green good is, this is a question of common sense, so wind power and solar energy is the right answer, which means B and D are correct. Again, we'll use the same strategy. Go through the questions, make the note of the key points. In this question, you can take externalities of government intervention as the main point. From this, you can remember the quoted words, especially the first 3 words and the last 3 words. From this, objective of public finance. From this, just remember true, and you can go through these lines once, so if you find these, you can easily recall. From this, you can make a note of government transfers. Now quickly have a look on the RC and try to find those main bullet points which you made. Easily and quickly be able to find the answer. Question 96. The externalities of government intervention in the economy can be found in the terms of. A is the correct answer, which means A, C and D are correct. Market development, storage and price support in agriculture. The last one, irrigation. Money supply was not mentioned there if you see properly. Dispute arises when the state expands to areas beyond the realm of boundaries of the protective or tax transfer state, was given by Buchanan, which means D is the correct answer. Question 98. Which one of the following objective of public finance is not correct? Option A, C and D were mentioned there, but B wasn't mentioned there, so B is not the objective of public finance. And we can use common sense here. Balance of payment is the work of IMF, not public finance. Question 99. Which one of the following statements is true? A and C are true. B and D were not mentioned there. And we can use common sense again here. Option D says Keynesian economics states that the state has to ensure full employment, which is not correct. It was said by classical economists, not Keynesian economics. Which means option C is the correct answer. Which one of the following does not fall in the category of government transfers? First 3 were mentioned in the last paragraph, but not the last one. So answer is D. Education does not fall in the category of government transfers. Last question. We missed one question. Last question. We missed this question in the starting. Given the TR function and total cost function at Q is equal to 100 units, which one of the following is correct? Write the function of TR, write the function of TC. To make TR into MR, we will do differentiation of TR, it will become MR. To make TC into MC, we'll just write AT. Now we'll solve MR, we'll put the value of Q which is given 100 units. At last by solving we'll get the answer 200. So MR is equal to 200, MC is equal to 80, MR is greater than MC. So option is the correct answer.